Well, this got serious. Let's go ahead and get some of these parts over to powder coating though.
It's no surprise the way they hide. And where's the line?
What is it, Joey?
Cut.
And the powder coating is back. Joey did an incredible job, and now it is time to go back together with this thing. Now, unless you were really good at reading minds, or you're one of my close personal friends, you probably don't know the twist that this stunt bike has taken. Dirt tires. Being that I live in the Rocky Mountains, and that it is now November, there is snow on the ground, and will continue to be on the ground until probably next July. So, to make this bike useful, what I have done is picked up a set of dirt tires for it. And I know what you're thinking. You said you were building a stunt bike. Well, I still am. It's just, these will be stunts on ice.